This presentation on managed hosting, the 4 sources of potential cost savings, is brought to you by OneNeck IT Services. Most industry experts believe managed hosting has significant potential for cost savings. However, companies need to understand the source of these savings before they partner with a service provider. Industry analysts at Gartner have compiled a list of 4 areas they recommend customers explore internally and with their provider before signing a managed hosting agreement. By analyzing these categories, businesses should have a good idea of where their cost benefits will originate. As a result, organizations can understand, document, and measure the sources of these savings, as well as determine how they'll be achieved. The first category regarding managed hosting cost savings involves efficiency. Specifically, companies need to understand what savings will result from increased operational efficiency. Examples of where to look include the following. The impact of managed hosting on labor. Organizations must calculate the number of staff hours required for a specific and consistent level of operational efficiency. The impact of managed hosting on location. Using the same level of efficiency, what is the cost of hours based on location? The second area companies should evaluate with managed hosting is effectiveness. If the process and/or service delivery becomes more effective, how will costs be impacted? Specific examples of organizational effectiveness include improving productivity through effective processes, standardization, consolidation, and/or economies of scale that have a direct relationship on cost savings. Increasing the speed with which processes are completed. Working smarter is a prime source of cost savings. If companies reduce the volume of transactions through redesigning, standardizing, consolidating, or reconfiguring processes, they'll save money. How information flows within an organization can affect many facets of operations. When companies use managed hosting services, they have the potential to improve the flow of information through such capabilities as better integration and interoperability of technologies. Better information flow can deliver cost savings that result from the following. Enhanced decision making. When organizations have the right information in the right time, they can make better decisions and improve the outcomes of implemented strategies. Greater adaptability. Better information flow and availability also positions companies to adapt more quickly to change. Businesses should have their managed hosting service provider explain how the source of savings, such as efficiency, effectiveness, and information flow, will vary over time. Specifically, the question should be, what are the total savings a company can expect each year when using managed hosting? How will the sources of savings change each year? And why will these changes take place? When companies understand from where their cost savings will originate, they can plan better and leverage improved performance to grow their business. They can also prepare for any dips in performance based on internal and external forces. Prior to entering into a managed hosting agreement, companies need to look both within the organization and to the service provider for potential cost-saving estimates. About the author. Chuck Vermillion is the CEO and founder of OneNeck IT Services, a leading provider of hosted application management and managed services since 1997. For more information about managed hosting, visit www.oneneck.com today.